YouTubelicious. Good morning. Today, I don't know, I wanted to vlog. I want to see your face, YouTubelicious. Come here. Anyways, I ain't saying shit till I caffeinate. We all know how this goes. So grab your coffees. I'll give you a moment to pause. Pause! Can't hold my breath for that long. Hope that was long enough to get your coffee. So, what up, YouTubelicious? I got up this morning, as I do every day, and I was having my coffee, my first coffee. You know, my caffeination is a two-part process. Dude, this is my second one. Yeah, I'm sitting at the computer, and let's talk about science. Yes, it is scientifically possible, I learned, to snore while you are awake. Because apparently, I don't know if it's my posture or the way I was sitting, but I was still half tired. I'm sitting there clickety-clicking the mug. YouTube, this is from Vuggy Flush. YouTubers Flush. And then I noticed, I started noticing this shit. Like, am I fucking snoring? My eyes are open. Like, huh. Woo! So I grabbed a bump of cocaine to clear the nasal passages. You know what I'm saying? Just a little hit there. Just kidding, I don't do drugs. But yeah, it was weird. It was... Yeah, what the hell, man? Albert, you need to start eating better. You need to start unmucusifying. Get the mucus out of your nose. I just made a new word. Unmucusifying. 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 Sounds cool when I say it, though. Don't try to say it, because you can't pull it off, obviously. So Vuggy Flush wanted me to do a video about not caffeinating myself and having me freak out and then pull up the little hairs on my head on camera. But I don't know if I can do that. And it's something to do with Skyfall, that James Bond movie sequence. There's not enough money in my budget for that. So we'll just have to settle for some tap dancing. Just kidding. Tap dancing is cool. Yeah. Yeah, I got caught up on my stories last night. Dexter, Season 8, Episode 7. And of course, the Second Coming of Christ. You ready? Ooh, 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 drum roll. Drum roll on toilet paper. The return of Breaking Bad, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking Bad returned on Sunday. Yesterday was the Monday. I know. Anyways, holy shit. Was that good? Yeah, it's the last 8 episodes, like, ever in the history of the show. That means no more bads will be broken ever on TV. Yeah. Wow. I wish I could tell you, but I don't want to spoil it for all. Because if you don't watch Breaking Bad and you're like, I don't care, I don't watch that show, you can tell me, I don't give a shit. No, you should see the show. It is good. See, that's how strongly I feel about my candidate. Oh, how political. Isn't that nice? So yeah, I watched that. Tonight, I will be watching my America's Got Talent, where various contestants compete to win the hearts of America. Ooh, this is cozy. Oh my god. I got bit by like mosquitoes, and it itches like a mother. Boop! Like a mother fornicator, it does. It's just so bad. Someone told me a trick that if you put a little bit of deodorant, like a deodorant stick, if you rub it on top of the mosquito bite, it will soothe it will soothe it. I'm not making not as much itchification. Yeah, no. Is there any truth to that? How do I stop my things from itching? Oh my god, so annoying. Anyways, you have a great day, YouTubealicious, and I'll just continue rubbing my legs, trying to start a fire, evidently, to stop the itch. Oh, it's like a dog. Maybe I should just go across here and rub my legs against this here pole. But this pole is what's holding up this house, you see. So, wow, ramble bamble. What am I talking about? Anyways, you guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you later.